Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. So now Lyles finally comes out and defends his girlfriend Janelle Brumfield, the Jamaican from Jamaican bullies online. And I do say finally because I have been waiting for him to officially respond from a page that belongs to him online in support of General Brumfield, especially because really and truly it's Noah that started all this ish storm anyway. And Janelle was just left out there in the cold, from a Jamaican perspective, at least me looking on to weather the storm because she was the one that was getting the attacks left, right, and center. And it was pretty confusing to me, especially given the fact that, okay, what Janelle did was pretty normal, amongst women or just people in relationships, full stop, right? But the type of, backlash that she faced was wild to me, even to the point where people started to come for her skin tone. And I remember her at one point saying, calling me black is not an insult. And I'm like, you have to be some of the wildest black people to come on here. Or this just kind of reminds me of, primary school with girls. Like when they think calling you black is an insult. We're all black here. So calling Janelle black, especially the beautiful black Janelle Broomfield, flawless skin, might I add, calling her black as an insult is wild to me. But yeah, those are just some of the things that she faced online, especially, some more things that I will not read out because they're just so disgusting and gross. If I find them, certainly, I will put the screenshots on the screen for you to see. I remember what they said, but I'm certainly not going to say them out. So if I find them, then certainly I'll put them up on the screen. If not, then it is what it is, and I'll keep my life pushing, and you just listen to the rest of the video, right? So it was wild to me, and I remember, looking at some of the things that were said about Janelle to Janelle, and I just recalled thinking, why are these coming from women? Of all people, women. So the people that were attacking Janelle Brumfield online, at least for the most part, based on what I saw, were women, literal women. And for me, I'm just wondering where, is the sisterhood, at this particular point. Then I reminded myself, oh yeah, that's part of the reason why you don't have any friends as females. You know what I mean? Because this is how women get, you know what I mean? Rather than speak directly to the cause of the issue, you rather attack a female. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you're dating a guy and he cheats on you with some female that you don't know from a can of paint. Guess who you're hunting down to attack? Said female. Excuse me, who is in a relationship with you? Yes, the man. Please go over there and attack him. Let him answer for his deeds and not some random female from Hobo. You know what I mean? That's the vibe I get. So I think a female's judgment gets misplaced a lot when it comes to men, and it's wild to me. And in this instance, literally, it's the same thing because rather than deal directly with Noah Lyles and whatever issue started up because of him, we had the Jamaican public literally going out and attacking General Broomfield herself. And I'm like, why? Why are we doing this? You know what I mean? But anyway, I thought I explained it perfectly in my video. And I'm like, listen, this is normal. All I thought was Noah should have just shut his mouth. You know what I mean? But anyway, finally he has come out and he's now ready to address everything that happened. Well, not necessarily address everything, but defend his girlfriend. So I'm just gonna read you what Noah Lyles had to say. He said, I just want to say how incredibly proud I am of my girlfriend and give her her flowers she deserves. No, she has been through so much in her life that I could never imagine fighting through. Yes, she has been through so much loss in her family. You know what I mean? And I do recall when I found out, I was like, oh my gosh, how is Janelle even still able to smile day by day, given how much family members she has lost, close loved ones in the short time frame as well. You know what I mean? She's definitely a strong black woman. There's nothing wrong with saying, black because it's beautiful. But anyway, let me continue. So he says, beyond that, she's a survivor, two ex-Olympian, Olympic medalist, multiple world championship medalist, and has been representing Jamaica on the world stage since she was 8 years old. But the most impressive thing I've recently seen is how she dealt with the pure disrespect and hatred towards her from her own country. Um, I hate in these moments when things happen, by done by a select few, because online is not a real world. We see this, day in day out, where people reacting online is literally just a handful of people, and it would make it seem as though it's the whole Jamaica. And I hate that I'm now, lumped in with her country. You know what I mean? And I can't do anything about it at this particular point, because it was Jamaicans, that were online, that were behaving, so disgusting as far as I'm concerned towards their fellow countrywoman. But I just want to say, or take this moment to say, it was not from her entire country. It was just a select few, people online, which doesn't, represent Jamaica really, and how we feel about our athletes and them representing us, especially a Janelle Bromfield that was quite selfless in her representation for Jamaica. Not many would do what she did. Let's just be clear. She participated in the 4x4 mixed relay race before her event even started, knowing exactly what that could potentially do for her, competing in her individual event. And people may say, well, the odds of her medaling in the, individual event was close to zero. True, right? But the same thing for everybody else. Why was nobody else doing it? You know what I mean? But a Janelle Brumfield. So again, she was quite selfless in that act, as far as I'm concerned, in her representation. So I mean, I don't really want to be lumped in with, her own country people right now, but well, it is what it is at this particular point. We are reaping what we sowed, right? So he continues. He says, this woman was attacked by her people who have never met her, heard her name before, never seen her smile or heard what she believes in. But she keeps moving forward, knowing that God will always make a way. That's why God keeps blessing her. Yeah, who God bless, no man curse. No matter how much you attack her blessings will not stop overflowing because of a few people that have negative things to say about her, a few dissenting people. That will not stop God's blessing. And it's so funny because I'm looking at Janelle right now as I'm talking to y'all, and she is so beautiful. It's beyond me how people can come for her. You know what I mean? I have this funny thing on my channel where I'm always talking about women and saying how they're beautiful. And a lot of the subscribers will say, hey, T, do you swing the other way? And I'm like, no. I just recognize beautiful women around me, and I'm not afraid to say, "Hey, you are beautiful. That person is beautiful. XYZ looks great." I don't think that takes away from my shine, you know what I mean, or my own personal beauty. Sure, I don't have the athlete bod. I need to start, heading in the gym to get that. But no, that's a side story. But yeah, she's very beautiful, and I just want Jamaica to stop at this particular point and love and appreciate, well, not Jamaica, because here I am doing the same thing. For the select few people online, y'all need to just stop at this particular point and show Janelle Brumfield the love that she deserves as a Jamaican representing us on the global stage. Full stop, point blank, period. Just like you do for everybody else, right? Do the same for Janelle Brumfield. And yeah, I'm just going to sign out of this video with love. Let me know your thoughts. Like the video, of course, and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye.